Hey, what is up, guys? I run a $1 million per year business, completely automated, where I don't have to talk to clients. And in this video, I'm going to show you what is it that I do and how you can actually make money without talking to anybody and without actually owning a product or creating a product. So without further ado, let's jump on my screen. So if you saw my last video, you basically saw the update that I made. So last time I checked, we were at $888 or something like this. And since then, it was a few days ago, since then, the count has gone up to $8,000. Okay, $1,000, again, completely passive. There's nothing I have to do for this money. Now it's running. And it's all thanks to one single post that I made, okay? So you can see the breakdown here over days. So this is the sell amount. This is how much that pin has generated in terms of sales, but this is an affiliate product, so it doesn't go all in my pocket. This is what goes in my pocket, okay? And you can see over the last couple of days how much money this made, and this is going to keep making money over time, all right? So this was the first experiment that I started just to show people in my community that it was possible to actually earn passive income. Now, I decided to make a second test, and this is what I'm gonna show you today. Really, really cool stuff. And you're gonna see that now these things are stacking, okay? I had the first business, and then now I have the second one that comes on top of it. So, what is this? So, let's go here, and as you guys can see, on yesterday, I made $361 off of this affiliate offer. It's a new affiliate offer. This is another network that I've been testing for a while. I have a few accounts. This is one of my accounts where I made $20,000 on this account. And right now I have like $2.6 thousand that need to be paid. And yesterday you can see how the sales went absolutely crazy. 3 conversions, so 3 people bought $361, okay? Now, if we look at the details in here, I'm blurring out the program and stuff. You can actually get more information in my program. So there's a program where I explain exactly what is it that I do, okay? I'm gonna give you more information about it, but you can see the breakdown. So this is yesterday, okay? Yesterday, and here it says today because I'm in Bali, so it's US time, okay? And you can see the amounts. So someone bought something for $3.6 thousand, okay? And my commission is about, let's say like 10% of this. So just one sale, they bought 8 items, and I will figure out what these items are so that I can, I can optimize what it is that I do. But, just yesterday, you can see 335, 14 here. This one is pending, so they're checking it out. This one was marked as unqualified. I don't know why. $11, $11, okay? And all this, guys, is completely passive. There's nothing I have to do for this stuff to happen. Well, at least now. What I had to do was this. So I created post, pin, just one pin automatically because it's my bot that's actually creating this. And you can see this is organic stuff. And this is the number of clicks that have been generated by these pins over the last, 90 days or something. And there are a new type of pins that I've added in my mix. And this is the reason why yesterday I was able to make $361, if I remember correctly. And in the last couple of, let's say maybe the last 2 weeks, this thing has been just growing steadily. There's one program, there's nothing I have to do, guys. Because if you understand how Pinterest works, it's a search engine. So you put something in there and it's going to start ranking. We're just at the beginning, okay? People saw it on day 1, but now it's gonna rank and rank and rank, and I'm going to get more sales, and this for years, okay? And it only takes one pin, and the beauty of this stuff is my bot is actually doing everything for me. I don't actually have to do anything for this, okay? So what I'm expecting is to see other days just like this one. Right? So this is when I started the test, and it was like $6 here on this day, then it was $17 there, then 34, 17, 44, then here 21, and then boom, okay? And again, I posted on the 28th, something like this. Yeah, on the 28th or 29th, I posted, and then that's it. And now, until the end of times, this thing is going to keep making me sales, and I'm expecting more days like this. Okay? So it's very, very simple method once you have the system in place, which I do. Okay? So what I have for you guys, if you guys are interested in doing something like this, then there's going to be a link right under this video. Go ahead, click the link. There's a program where I explain exactly what is it that I do, how I'm basically setting up everything, how the robot is actually doing all the selling for me, and how I make money without actually doing anything. Okay? So the reason why I'm saying this is because I get a lot of questions from people. And the questions are mainly around, hey, should I start an agency, or should I start, whatever should I start? And a lot of people right now are contacting me for agency stuff because I do have an agency, but the amount of work that is required for an agency is completely ludicrous. It's stupid. Here, again, as I said, there's nothing I have to do. The robot does all the posting. The offer is not mine, so it's not my product. I don't have to develop the product. I don't have to do any of the copywriting, the delivery, the support, the sending the product. If there's a problem, recalling the product. I don't have to do any of that stuff. Okay? I just have a robot that's configured. And again, I have a training that's going to show you exactly, it's a whole program that shows you exactly what I do. I give you all the bots, all the automation, so that you can actually plug it in and then do the same thing as me. But I have tested many different business models, okay? I do have an agency. I've done, drop shipping. I have courses. So there's a course this year. I have software. I have a bunch of things, okay? And in my experience, okay, I cannot talk for everybody or everything. In my experience, this model is the absolute best model and the easiest model for anyone, especially for beginners. And for the following reasons. You can do it from anywhere on the planet. You do not have to talk to anybody. You can basically launch your robot. The robot does all the work for you, and then sales are coming, and then you get commissions just like this, okay? You can see here, commissions. I do not have to talk to anybody, all right? And there's no learning curve, completely ludicrous learning curve like the other ones, where you need to know how to set up email systems. You need to know how to get people, like copywriting, to get people on a call. You need to learn how to, basically convert people on a call. Then you need to learn how to send proposals. You need to learn how to make sure they actually pay you. You need to do the onboarding of these clients. Then you need to actually deliver the freaking service. And then also you need to be able to deal with, people's anxiety and stress and everything, and actually deliver and have the client happy. Right? And, chances are you made a stupidly, stupid, crazy guarantee of, I will do this until you're happy. I know someone who did this, okay? And he was trapped with this client for 2 years. Client was never happy. And so guess what? He had to keep working for the client. Here, my job is done once I launch my bot, and then the bot does all the work, okay? So for those of you guys, especially if you're a beginner, and you're thinking of, oh man, I want to start an agency. Dude, this 20 grand, I'll take these 20 grand any day without having to do any of the work, okay? 20 grand, and then you can stack this thing up, okay? I'm showing you 2 of the ones that I'm testing right now, but there's so many more, okay? I am testing 30 products at the same time. I already have 3 that are making consistent money, just like this one here with my new technique. And so I'm just going to stack it up and I don't have to talk to anybody, okay? So this is kind of the update that I wanted to give you. And if you're one of those people you're just getting started and you heard about, SMMA, and it's very funny, those people who were in the dropshipping, they moved to SMMA, and now the same people who are telling you, man, SMMA is the best, now they're in the AI automation agency, blah, 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 etc. You can see these people are just jumping from one thing to the other. Now, if you look at my channel, if you look at what I do, you will see that I've always been in affiliate marketing. And what I tell people to do is what I actually do, right? A lot of people who are going to tell you, oh, go build an agency. Well, you're going to be very surprised to realize that once you're in the course, they say, yeah, I used to have an agency. This is what I was doing back in the days. And I'm like, why exactly are you not in that agency anymore if it's that good? Okay? You can look me up, look up all my content. I have been in this industry for the last 13 years. I never moved. Why? Because it works and because it makes me a pretty good amount of money without any hassle. Okay, so I don't see a reason why I will move. All right. So anyway, over the years, I got more sophisticated. And then what I did is I found new ways of generating more traffic. And the easiest one that I've seen is this. It's insane. You post once, you make money forever. And you post, you're encouraged to put a link to send people over to your money offers. Like, I don't know what else you can ask. It's insane. And if you know how to organize everything, how to delegate everything to a bot, it becomes this money printing machine that I've been showing you here that made me yesterday $361 or something in here. And that keeps me making money here. Like, guys, this is like more than $9,000 in sales. Without me having to do anything. Obviously, again, as I said, this is not what goes in my pocket, right? This goes in my pocket. But dude, would you like to get paid $1,000 for doing like nothing? If you're like me, probably yes. So if you're like me and you think that, hey, this is really, really cool, then what you need to do is to check the link that's at the bottom, and this system works. Now, before you do, what I urge you to do, okay, is the following. Go back to my channel. Look at my videos from 3 years ago, 4 years ago, and check if I wasn't telling you about affiliate marketing. Check if I've been just moving from one fad to the other because it's trendy and stuff. I haven't moved. The reason why would you leave your golden goose if it works that well? So ask all these people who went from dropshipping to small SMMA to now AI. Why did you move if it was that good? Right? The reason why I'm here 13 years after I started, it's because it's that good. Okay? And this is, if you want to learn from someone who is basically doing what is it that they're teaching you. Okay? And this is what I'm doing, man. So again, that's pretty much it for me, guys. So there's a link right under here. Go check the program. It freaking works. I'm just showing you these are the results. This is live stuff, right? So let me refresh this. This is live stuff, all right? It freaking works. No work required, like no manual work required. The bot is taking care of absolutely everything, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, if you like my content, go ahead, and show some support, sign up to the channel. And also you can check my playlists, okay? I have a playlist, so let's actually go and check the playlist. And go check the playlist and you're gonna see that I have been in the same business model for the longest time. So if we check this playlist here, and yeah, so for example, if you check here, I show you 28 of my income streams. 28, guys. And you can see I show you all the numbers, absolutely everything. And this was shot like a few years ago. You can watch any of the videos in my channel and you're gonna see I'm consistent. Why? Because it freaking works. That's pretty much it, okay? Anyways, I will see you in the next video. You guys have a good one. Bye.